What's up guys, Phil here from PRC Taping again with another video for you today. I'm going to be talking a little bit about how to properly clean and maintain your Columbia Warrior set. So here we go. So the Warrior set comes in this nice hard shell case to protect your blades and to keep them clean. I'm going to open this up and show you what you should do with your tools after you're done using them. So the Columbia Warrior finishing set comes with 4 different size blades. We have a 7, a 12, an 18, and a 32. It comes with an extendable 3 to 5 foot handle and a tomahawk. That's what comes in this set. And to clean these tools, basically right when you're done using them, you want to use a nice clean bucket of water and a sponge or whatever you have on site. Just make sure they're all clean and there's no mud dried on any parts of these blades, on the inside and on the edge of the blade and all that stuff. You can actually save these blade savers as well if you want to throw those back on your blades. They come with those black blade savers. Now always keep in mind that Columbia has replacement blades for every single size tomahawk. So you can, if you have a size that you use quite a bit, like I use my 18 quite a bit and my 32. I have a couple extra blades at home in storage just in case they get nicked up or dropped or damaged or anything like that. It doesn't happen often, but it's nice to have when you're dealing with that. There's going to be a link down below here. Aaron's going to show you how to properly change those blades. It's really, really easy to do. So that's basically what you want to do when you're cleaning and maintaining. Make sure you check your blades frequently before and after you use them. Clean them really well. If you need to replace them, the link down below, like I mentioned before. So in terms of cleaning and maintaining the handle, pretty straightforward. Just make sure there's no mud on the outside, and especially in here where it extends in and out. You always want to make sure you just give that a little bit of oil as well. That's basically it for this kit. Again, replacement blades if you ever nick them or damage them, but this case protects it really well for that. Thanks for checking this video out, guys.